Can we fix the Instagram story save option not showing? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the real reason why the Instagram story save option it's not showing and what you can do actually about it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1. You can only save your own stories. So first on Instagram, the save option only appears on story that you have posted yourself. So if you're viewing someone else's story, then Instagram does not allow you to save it directly. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to turn on save story to gallery. So here, if the save option is missing on your own story, then what you can do is simply open the Instagram and go to your profile. And from here, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And there, in the settings section, you can simply scroll down and tap on story live and location. And now here, if you find save story to gallery button, then you can simply enable it so your story automatically saved to your phone. Or if you don't find it, then what you can do is simply go to your story section manually, and from there you can just tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply save your story as well. And with that, moving forward to there's step 3, that is to try saving from your story viewer as well. So here, what you can do is simply open your active story, and from there you can just tap on three dot at the bottom and check if the save options appears there or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Instagram app. So sometimes the option may not appear because of the outdated app version. So there you can simply open the Google Play Store and simply search for the Instagram app. And if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, Instagram does not allow you to directly save other people's stories, but you can only save your own stories or enable the auto save feature in settings. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.